Go and do that then. Do the thing again. So retarded. So retarded! That's what I call a tree hugger!
It's on like 10 bajillion times zoom.
Oh, I see. I see your face and I see your butt.
See it again.
1, 2, 3, 4. It feels like I'm coming to the back door. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, a ring, ring around my posy. Ring, ring. Talking about my pose. I'm talking about my. Okay. Awkward silence. Random talking. Random noises. Ha. Hold that for a minute.
Okay. Look. I'm going to be from here, the middle, to over there. Ready?
Wait!
No, don't get any closer. We can like mark the parts out with me running while I'm like on YouTube.
Now watch her. It's the ghost of the Macy's past, okay?
What am I supposed to
She died while she was holding the camera.
What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
She's as white as a ghost.
What am I supposed to do?
Tell me now! I don't know. Just run to different places. That hurt! Dang it! Okay, so thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and comment on these, but no haters.